Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to clear print a spooler and fix forever printing problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type services. Service. And hit enter. Scroll down and select print spooler. And double click and change automatic to manual and click on apply and click on OK. You verify the service status is running, click on the start and OK, or you can try click on restart the service. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.